How does an Australian Wagyu chalk eye roll transform into Elderburger's legendary patty? Imagine a burger so good it's crowned the best in the US, not once, but thrice, all the way from Seoul, South Korea. What are they fermenting for 24 hours, aging for 5 days, and using beer for in their cuisine? Find out what makes Elderburger a global sensation, and don't miss more surprising details as you keep watching. Serving up smiles one dish at a time. Food is Thy Mood is now live. Hey Moody Foodies! Welcome back to our channel. Today we have something super exciting to share with you. We're diving into a culinary adventure and guess where? South Korea. But we're not just exploring any food, we're talking about Elderburger, a burger joint in Seoul that's won the title of the best hamburger in the US not once, not twice, but 3 times. Can you believe it? Let's find out what makes Elderburger so special. Elderburger's influence extends far beyond South Korea. They have participated in international culinary exchanges, showcasing their unique burger recipes in various countries. How exactly do these collaborations shape the flavors of their limited edition burgers? This has led to collaborative projects with renowned chefs from different culinary backgrounds, resulting in limited edition burgers that blend diverse flavors and techniques. Such initiatives not only enhance Elderburger's global footprint, but also contribute to the evolution of the burger as a global cuisine staple, bridging cultural divides through shared culinary experiences. Elderburger is nestled in the heart of Seoul Forest, in Seongdong-gu. This isn't your ordinary burger place. These guys are artists. They're crafting masterpieces, one burger at a time. And let me tell you, their dedication to quality is something else. They grow their own baby romaine right in the store. How cool is that? But here's the kicker. They use wood firewood to grill their patties. That's right, no gas grills or electric cookers. We're talking about real, authentic wood-fired goodness. The aroma of oak smoke fills the kitchen, adding a unique, smoky flavor to the burgers that's just out of this world. Elderburger's commitment extends to its local community and environmental sustainability. They actively participate in supporting local agriculture by sourcing fresh ingredients from surrounding farms, thus contributing to the local economy. Their dedication to sustainability is evident in their eco-friendly practices, like using biodegradable materials and reducing waste. Do these sustainable practices influence the taste and quality of their burgers? This approach not only ensures the freshness of their ingredients, but also demonstrates their responsibility towards the environment and community, reinforcing their position as a socially conscious eatery. Now let's talk about their homemade buns. These aren't just any buns. These are handcrafted with love and a 24-hour fermentation process. They mix flour, butter, and then mold the dough by hand. And when they apply egg to the fermented dough, it turns into this beautiful brown bun topped with sesame seeds. It's not just a bun, it's a piece of art. The heart of any burger is the meat, and Elderburger doesn't disappoint. They use Australian Wagyu chalk eye roll for their patties. Pure Wagyu, my friends, with no added water. It's all about the beef here. They grind the beef twice to make it extra tender and then mold the patties by hand. And wait till you hear about their bacon. This bacon is handmade and aged for 5 days in a special sauce. After aging, it's smoked and then baked to perfection. Just one bite and you'll be in bacon heaven. But no burger is complete without a great sauce, right? Elderburger's special sauce is a concoction of cherry tomatoes, garlic, direct fried paprika, ketchup, mustard, mayonnaise, and tomato. It's the perfect blend of flavor that elevates the burger to a whole new level. Oh, and let's not forget about the onion rings. These aren't your average onion rings. The batter is made with beer instead of water. I mean, how innovative is that? It gives the onion rings this light, crispy texture that's just irresistible. Now for the grand reveal, the classic Elderburger. Picture this: a well-glazed sesame bun, a juicy, perfectly cooked Wagyu patty, in-house smoked bacon, and that tangy Thousand Island-like sauce. It's a symphony of flavors in your mouth. And the sides? The chili is rich and hearty with just the right amount of spice. And the Caesar salad is a fresh, flavorful delight. Looking ahead, Elderburger has ambitious plans for expansion and menu innovation. They're exploring opportunities to open branches in other major cities, aiming to share their unique burger experience with a broader audience. Moreover, Elderburger is committed to culinary diversity, experimenting with new menu items, including options for vegan and gluten-free diets. Could these new dietary options revolutionize the way we think about burgers? This expansion and innovation reflect Elderburger's dedication to inclusivity and their desire to cater to a wide array of tastes and dietary needs, ensuring that everyone can enjoy their exceptional culinary creations. But what truly sets Elderburger apart is their commitment to authenticity and quality. From the wood-fired grilling to the handcrafted buns and sauces, every detail is meticulously taken care of. The ambience of the restaurant, with its rustic wooden interior, adds to the whole experience. It's not just a meal, it's a journey through flavors and traditions. Elderburger's appeal is not just in its food but also in its exceptional experience it offers. Diners frequently praise the restaurant's warm and welcoming atmosphere, enhanced by the attentive and friendly staff. Elderburger has also implemented an innovative feedback system, inviting customers to share their thoughts and preferences. How does this unique approach to customer feedback enhance the overall dining experience? This feedback is invaluable, shaping future menu developments and ensuring that customer satisfaction remains at the heart of their operations. Regular events like burger tasting sessions further engage the community, creating a loyal and enthusiastic customer base. Elderburger in Seoul isn't just making burgers, they're creating culinary experiences. Whether you're a burger aficionado or just love trying new flavors, this place is a must visit. And who knows, maybe you'll find your new favorite burger right here in South Korea. So there you have it, folks. Elderburger is more than just a burger joint. It's a culinary pioneer, blending tradition with innovation. Have you been to Elderburger? What's your favorite burger topping? Share with us in the comments below. If you love this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more delicious adventures, and ring that bell for notifications. Thanks for watching, and remember, life's too short for average burgers.